Let's figure out how to enroll in Edusanjal's Online Bridge Course. Launch any web browser on your device. In the browser search bar, type learn.edusanjal.com and hit enter. You'll land on Edusanjal's online portal. Here, you can explore various online courses. Specifically, choose the option for the Online Bridge Course. Click on the Start Learning button. You must sign up with your details to view or open the program. Once logged in, you will land on the program page. Upon entering the program, you will find the payment option. Purchase the course online via any of your preferred payment gateway. Once your payment is complete, return to the program page. You will now have access to the class. Happy learning with Edusanjal.